A lot of the bad citations and terminology has only come into existence since the internet has become a thing, because people don't want, tend to do their own research and verify the information. I've put out videos on these bad citations people put out. Well, I'm not going to say that this is necessarily an incorrect word, but it is not a correct terminology. So if you go look up private membership association, you see right there you have 6 cases. Now, sort by date. So let's see, 2023, slip copy, go down. 2018 was the first time that was ever mentioned. Nothing before then. Now, you go here, and you go to secondary sources. Now, briefs, that's part of the cases. Trial court orders, that's part of the cases. Secondary sources, that's it. And if it was a legitimate term, well, let's not say legitimate term. Let's say if it's the correct terminology, you would think that you would actually have a lot more sources than that. Okay. Now, let's do this. So let's look up unincorporated association. An unincorporated association. Okay. Oh, wow. You've got over 10,000 cases. Now, let's sort by date. Now, this is all states and federal. Okay. Let's go to the very first time it was mentioned. Well, this is the earliest one it's given me, 1801. It probably goes back further than that if I limit the jurisdiction to, say, federal only. But you get what I'm trying to show here. And if you look, wow, all kinds of stuff dealing with unincorporated associations. So you have 2 types of associations. Incorporated, for example, Costco or Sam's Club. That's probably more than likely an incorporated association. A PMA that you're trying to do would be in an unincorporated association. But see, it sounds fancy when someone says private membership association, because you hear the word private and you say, oh, it's private. No. Everything in the fiction world they have jurisdiction over. The difference is if how you set it up. Do you set it up correctly? Are you managing it correctly? Because if not, they can breach the veil.